In this video, I'm going to show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. It's pretty easy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Open up the Instagram app and tap on Reels on the bottom. You start scrolling and you enjoy this particular reel, but then you scroll past it and get distracted by other reels. You can go and like a bunch of posts. And now you want to go back and find that reel. If you haven't closed the Instagram app and it hasn't been too long, you can simply go back to Reels and swipe up instead of down until you land back on the particular reel. That would be a good time to save the reel so you don't lose it again. Unfortunately, if it's been days or even weeks since you watched that particular reel you're trying to find, you're out of luck. But if you interacted with the reel in any way, maybe you sent it to a friend or liked it or even commented on it, then there's an opportunity to find it. For the sake of this video, let's say we like this reel. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. And now hit the three lines at the top. Midway down the screen under the section labeled How You Use Instagram, you will tap on your activity. And now under the section labeled Interactions, tap on Likes. And this will show you all the reels that you liked. And here it is again. I hope this helps, and if it did, please hit the subscribe button below, and it really helps me out.